So when I first started trying to zill and dance, it was unbelievably frustrating. I would practice and practice, but I just, at some point, just gave up. In this video, what I'm going to teach you to do is very, very basic how to coordinate your zilling with your dancing. And we're going to start at the absolute foundation. Zilling, because it is part of the music, just like your dancing, is based on the rhythm and the beat. If you don't know what those are, or if you don't remember, check out our video on our two videos. One is on Music Speak, which defines musical terms, and the other one, which is finding the beat in belly dance music. Okay, so very quickly, the beat of the music is the underlying pulse of the music. It's the numbers that we count. Very commonly in much belly dance music, as well as Western music, it's based on a four-beat rhythm. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to dance on the beat, which is the foundation of making belly dance look amazing, we can step on the beat. So let me show you what I mean. Here on this beautiful water on the Sea of Cortez, which is the delta of the Colorado River down in Mexico. And so, as I said, we have a 4-beat rhythm. That means there's 4 beats to the rhythm. So we could step, 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 step. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could count it in Arabic like this. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Step, 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 step. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pretty basic. Just very briefly, without going into all the details of all the different sounds you can make, let's just do a basic ring. I've got my zills on, and these are my practice zills. They're all tarnished, not performance zills. And I've got it around my thumb and around between the 2 knuckles. Many people wear them lower. I wear them high, the way one of my favorite dancers, Jensuya, does, and the way Kerim Nagy showed me, which is up here. I like that. Okay, so we can do a ring with each beat. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not trying to be perfect in my technique. I'm just getting the basics, the blocking. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ring, 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 ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Not perfect. I'm not doing this with a metronome, so I'm just basically trying to get it. Let's put it together. Let's do with the right hand. Let's take a step and ring every time we do it. So this is the basis of coordinating your dancing with your stepping. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. Ring, 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 ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Now I'm going to do it with my left hand. So I started with my dominant hand. I'm going to my non-dominant. If you're left-handed, do it in reverse. Start with your easy hand. So here we go. I'm also going to start with my left foot. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 step. Basic. All I'm trying to do is coordinate my feet with my hands, with my words. And notice I use different words. I use step. I use numbers in English. I use numbers in Arabic. I use right and left, trying to get my brain and my body coordinated. Seems super basic, but here's the thing. When it's easy, try it faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Step, 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 step. 1, 2, 3. And the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة step 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 1 2 3 4. Great. So as something becomes easy and boring, that's a cue to say, oh, how can I make it more challenging? Well, you can speed it up. Here's another way. Let's try going back and forth as we walk back and forth with our feet. We can do it with our hands. We can go right, left, right, left. Again, don't worry too much about your technique or the sound if you're clicking, clacking, ringing, whatever. Just try to get the coordination of hands and feet and your timing, and you feel in a groove. That's why it's so awesome to do this on a hike, on the beach, in the mountains, whatever. You can do it on a sidewalk in a suburb, but you might feel self-conscious. So start in an area where you don't feel subconscious at first, okay? So we have this awesome beach. We're going to head north now at low tide. So here we go. I'm going to start with my right foot and my right hand with my practice Zils. Nice hairy Saroyan Zils, which are fantastic sound. And they're just a mess right now. They're actually kind of sticky and they're all yucky, but these are my practice Zils, so don't worry. Ready? So we're going to go right, left, right, left. Right hand, right foot, left hand. Together, 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 together. And I'm just stepping, 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 stepping. I'm over-exaggerating my steps and my hands so that I get it in my body. This side, this side, this side, this side. We're dancers, so we want to move. 1 2 3 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Step, 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 and step. I'm going to speed it up now. Step, 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 step. Speeding it up. Into the water. Slowing it down and slowing it down. And 1 2 3 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. Step, 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 step. Or I can say it in Turkish. Why not? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. 1. I could do this all day. This is like so fun. How could this not be amazing? Nobody here to buff, except the camera guy. Beautiful day. Now, even if I were all bundled up for the winter in my hat and gloves, the Zils do get a little cold, but you can try it. Coordinate, 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 coordinate. 1 2 3 4. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة. And we're going to wrap it up. So voila, that is very, very basic. I encourage you, even if you've been zilling, let's say you do those tribal patterns and go back to this very, very basic and just practice it, always working on your foundations. This is what the finest ballet dancers in the world do. They go back to their foundations every day. Then they do their fancy stuff. I encourage you to do it. So if you like this, smash the like button, you know it. Subscribe to us. Give us your comments and any cool tricks that you do to help you with your learning to zill and dance. Shukran. Ma salama. One of the most amazing things about belly dance is zilling and dancing together. It's just totally, there's such a magic about it, and it's so beautiful that this dancer is just doing all this stuff, and it's like the hands are working independently, and there's this beautiful tinkly sound.